Hello, another AQA A-Level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to do a different question, if you hover on the information card that's going to appear over here, that'll take you to the current electricity playlist and you can choose another similar but different question. If you're going to do this question, pause the video right now. If you've got the answer A, well done. If you didn't, I'm going to explain it to you. So a circuit consists of two identical cells, a resistor, an ammeter and a voltmeter. The cells each have an EMF of 3 volts and the resistor has a resistance of 12 ohms. The cells have negligible internal resistance. Which row shows the readings on the voltmeter and the ammeter? So, well, these two cells are in parallel. So that means the potential difference across the ends of these terminals here must be the same, and it must be 3 volts. So that means it's 3 volts across this branch as well. So the voltmeter is going to read 3 volts. It's going to be one of those two answers. Well, it's 3 volts across there, it's 3 volts across here, so I can very simply use to find the current. Current is equal to potential difference over resistance. Potential difference we've just said is 3 volts. We've told that the resistance of the resistor is 12 ohms, and if I put those into my calculator, I get an answer of 0.25 amps. Answer A. If you found this video useful, hit that subscribe button, share the video with people who might find it useful, and watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.